Hey, 911 Appliance Service. This is Francisco from Amplify Digital Marketing. Thank you for your interest in learning more as far as what we can do to help get you guys more jobs without having to pay Google ads or any type of Facebook ads or just any ads in general. So I'm going to jump right to it. So some of the things that we do is, one, we help rank your website. Okay, we help rank your website on Google rankings. And how we do this is the strategies that we tend to implement is we target local areas. So in this case, right away, I know that you guys service all of these areas here, but if I scroll down more, I know you guys service a lot more. So now, let's just take, in this case, San Jose. Since I know you guys are located in San Jose, let's just see how well you're dominating the Google space, okay, in the Google sphere. So let's just take Appliance Repair San Jose and let's see what pops up on Google. Let's see if you guys are showing up as one of the top providers for appliance repair. So I'm going to take you guys section by section as far as what we can do to help support you. So in this section here, this is the Google Guarantee section. These are companies that tend to go through a process through Google, and they will essentially get sponsored through them, and that's why these companies show here. Okay, yes, they'll get a call, but this is essentially an ad where they would have to pay for that call. Okay, and this is what we're going to show you where you don't need to pay for that. This right here is just a organic listing. Okay, Yelp is the citation site. Now, this section here, which is my favorite, this is the Google My Business page. Okay, so these are the top 3 businesses that are appearing for this buyer intent keyword. Okay, appliance repair. So anytime that someone's going to be searching for this online, that means that they need support, whether it's wanting to repair their cook stove, their refrigerator, their air conditioner, you name it. There's just a variety of things. Now, these are the businesses that are currently showing up. So what we tend to do is we will help rank your specific Google My Business page. Okay, so if you guys are not located on this specific page, what we will do here, you guys are, we will continue help ranking you on top of the first pages of Google. Different things that we can do to help support you that, but that's what we would essentially do. Second thing is we would help rank your Google, your domain, right? In this case, your domain is 911applianceservice.com. So we would help rank that on top of the Google rankings, okay? And these are the organic rankings. And currently right now, you are not showing up on the first page of Google. So what does that mean? That means that you're not getting calls. You're not getting calls from these type of people that are needing Appliance Repair San Jose. Now, let's dive in deeper a little bit into this keyword. So the reason why I picked that keyword is the following. So this is one of your competitors, Nicks Appliance Repair in San Jose. This is a tool called Ahrefs. It helps you understand how well a specific website is performing. In this case, this is what this company and this website is being indexed for, Appliance Repair San Jose. Now, if we look at this specific keyword, the volume is 400, meaning that an estimated amount of times this keyword is being searched on Google every single month. Now, remember, these are buyer intent keywords. So currently right now, if we were to go to your website or domain and we see how well you're performing, you're not ranking currently right now for this keyword, Appliance Repair San Jose. You're not ranking for it, okay? This is where we will come in and help support your business and help rank your website and your Google My Business page, get you on these higher buyer intent keywords and get you more jobs, okay? And this would go for any of the service areas you offer, okay? So you service different areas. So what we would do is we would support and help be able to rank you on all of these different areas. Clearly, if you have certain areas that you want to focus on the most, then that's where we would do our focus. and we would help rank you higher on the Google rankings. Anyhow, short video. Please let me know if you are still interested. Let's talk. If you are not, no harm, no foul. Please let me know. Looking forward to your response. Thank you.